What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Coinbase Global with the ticker symbol COIN. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So on this channel, we only look at the charts because the charts are our reality and it keeps our emotions in check. So that's the only thing we look at on this channel. So let's take a look at Coinbase. Basically, it made two legs down. So market generally moves in twos. So this was one large leg by the bears. There was a correction, which can start a second leg. Target was perfectly met right at the 118.38 level. And now price is consolidating. So it's finding support. As right now, this is still bearish territory because price is still below this downward trend line that I drew off the swing highs. We're still below the EMA, so we can still continue trend down lower towards the low 100s, possibly even sub 100s. So we'll have to wait and see what Coinbase wants to do at the end of the day. But it looks like it's finding temporary support, but I'm still expecting lower prices because price has not retested this breakout point, and there's not a lot of support where we are right now. The support is at lower price levels. So again, it's not guaranteed we go lower. This is definitely a temporary support where we can reverse off of. But generally, since the measure move is met, we're probably just going to go sideways or see a move up higher, or at least a short-term move. There's a good chance for a larger leg down because all of this is technically just one large leg on a higher time frame. So even though we see two small legs, so we saw one small drop, a second small drop, well technically on a higher time frame, like a weekly chart, this is just one large drop instead of two small drops, and that can lead to another large drop like this. So if that earnings report comes out, it looks like sometime mid-February, we'll see if it pumps up price. But as right now, I'm still expecting a little bit more downside for Coinbase in the medium term. In the short term, we can probably continue to trade sideways or even move up higher, probably back up to the mid 100s. But there's a good chance for further selling towards that 109, 110 level, and possibly even this trend line that I drew off the swing lows. So that's what I'm looking for on Coinbase. It's still bearish, and it's just finding support in the meantime. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart, and you can see that price is right at that 21 bar EMA. It's finding temporary support. All of this is just one large drop, which can lead to a second large drop in the future. Again, I don't think this is bullish just yet. I still think price can continue trending down lower towards that 109, 110 level, and possibly even this trend line right over here. So we'll see if price can stop there. So again, I'm looking for a little bit more downside for Coinbase Global. I don't see it reversing just yet. Is it guaranteed? No, it's not guaranteed to go lower, but again, that's what the chart is telling me as of right now. It's setting up to go lower. Even if we do see a breakout to the upside, there's a good chance that that'll just be a correction for another large drop lower. The push up higher would need to be very strong, something like that. The impulse up would need to be large for us to be changing our minds, or me to be changing my mind. If price is just going to go higher from here. As of right now, it looks like price is just taking a break to go lower in the future. So that's all I have for Coinbase Global on the daily and weekly charts. It's the Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.